Sometimes you may have found such kind of problem in your website. In this video, I am going to show you how to solve such kind of website in a simple way. So whenever you will find this error 526 invalid SSL certificate problem in your website, then nothing to get worried about it. I am showing you how to solve this problem in a simplest way. So let's get it started. Okay, for example, you found this problem in your website. So now what you should do? Now I'm showing you what you should do. If you found this problem, then at the very first, the thing you need to do, you need to log in your Cloudflare account. Okay, logging in the Cloudflare account, the thing you need to do right now is to select here SSL or TLS certification tab. Just simply click over there. Okay, when you click here, the most important thing now you need to do is a simple thing. You need to make sure that whether there is full is selected or not. That means whenever you find this kind of 526 error, then you need to log in your Cloudflare account and then you need to check whether full is selected or not. That means your SSL or TLS encryption mode is full. You should select this way. You might have select off, flexible or full strict, but these are wrong. So whenever you find this 526 error, then you should make sure that it is selected as full. You just need to simply select is full. Okay, then you are done. And now you need to wait for 5 to 7 minutes. Then you need to check your website and you'll find that your website will be working. So it is the easiest simple way you can in this way solve these 526 error. So make sure you select full. Okay, I hope this video will help you. So don't worry, just do this procedure and you will get solution. If you face further any problem, please write in the comment section.